golf kuma fegi ya Ncba ikerekaine ria 12 mwezi wa juma kuria makiria ma athaki 180 matanyitwo kunyita itemi betikaine ici kiharo-ini kia Nyali Golf Country Club na athaki aya othe magukorwo makimatha tigiti wa guthaka betika ikerekaine ria finals mwena-ini wa arume na nyarari. Oho ni magakorwo makihitaniria na ngari kana makorwo makithaka thiini wa betika ici.
It is such a pleasure to grace this prize-giving occasion of what has been the 10th leg of the Ncba 2023 Golf Series at this great club of Muthaiga. It is such a pleasure to see you all here, gathered tonight and turning out in very large numbers. I express my admiration and appreciation for the remarkable talent and skill showcased here today, and your skills and sportsmanship have truly been outstanding, and this makes this leg memorable and exciting. I would like to congratulate the winners of today's tournament. Your performance and competitive spirit have earned you a well-deserved slot to play in the series grand finale.